Don't let states and lobbies abuse GST. Blogs.economictimes.India Times couldn't let states and lobbies abuse GST. Yesterday, 12/24 Anther ongoing protest by traders in the textile hub of Surat and Ahmedabad against the imposition of a 5% goods and services tax (GST) on textiles is unjustified, given that the new levy allows manufacturers to claim credit for all the taxes paid on inputs and lowers production costs. There is no rationale to exempt some sections from GST as it leaves the scope for others to make a similar demand. Already, 145 odd products are exempt from GST. The goal should be to remove these, not to add to the list. It will distort the tax structure, create systemic inefficiencies and dent government's revenues. The GST Council should stand up to the demands for commodity or industry-specific exemptions that spell patronage. Estimates show that the country loses about 2.7% of the GDP on exemptions. Many food items have now been exempt from GST to ostensibly soften the blow on the poor. But an exemption should not be conflated with zero rating, given that no input tax credit will be available to manufacturers of exempt items. Zero rating is applicable only to exports under GST. A country does not export its taxes and, so, exporters are allowed to claim a refund on the input taxes paid by them. Barring exports, all products and services should attract a nominal levy in order to keep the GST chain intact. The GST Council must also try to tax products sharing a common HSN code at the same rate, to minimize classification disputes. Large swathes of the economy, petroleum and real estate, should be brought under GST that creates audit trails to lower rates. States should abandon moves like Tamil Nadu's, of slapping an additional levy on movies over and above GST. The need is to move to a clutter-free tax system, now that GST has been rolled out to create a common market. Comments. Visit website. Israel, formalizing a warm partnership. Blogs.economictimes.indiatimes.com. Israel, formalizing a warm partnership. Yesterday, 12/18 am. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Israel, the first by an Indian head of government, and his Israeli counterpart's warm reception mark a milestone. The partnerships and agreements that have been finalized are important, but what makes this visit historic is the formal dehyphenation of Israel and Palestine in India's foreign policy. Allowing for the development of India's open partnership in West Asia, it is not a question of choosing one side over another, but of putting in place relationships that are independent, strategic and mutually beneficial. The visit sends out a political signal to business to step up partnership, trade and investment. It is no surprise that innovation, water, agriculture and terror-dominated discussions. Israel is a leader in conservation and efficiency of water use, and improved agricultural productivity. These are crucial areas for India, and priorities for the government given its goal of doubling farmer incomes by 2022. The growing pressures on water exacerbated by climate change and rising demand make this an important sector. The $40 million Bilateral Technology Innovation Fund in Industrial Development will help augment and create a framework for partnership by Indian and Israeli researchers. The lacunae in India's cyber defenses should be a priority area of joint research. Terror is the other big-ticket issue. Mindful of India's relationship with countries in West Asia and the Gulf region, the joint statement does not specify any particular source of threat to peace and stability. Instead, it stresses on cooperating to combat growing radicalization and terrorism, including cyber threats. The joint statement stresses on reliance on dialogue and restraint. This visit does not signal India picking sides in the Israel-Palestine conflict. India remains committed to a resolution that is democratic and that ensures the rights of the Palestinians and Israelis are protected. In engaging with Palestine and Israel as separate entities, New Delhi has created the space to play honest broker should it choose to do so. Comments. Visit website.